proper map sensor. It's the manifold air pressure sensor, absolute pressure sensor. So before I was running the D16 one, which is comes down to here, essentially does the same job. This one goes in to a better place on the manifold. So here, this is from an Integra, I think, a Denso part number. I don't know if you can quite see that. Doesn't matter. But it's the standard one, I think, on a lot of B series. So I've taken off this here, and if you poke the camera down there, well, it's difficult to see, but it allows you to take the send off for the pressure. So what you can do is just place this little rubber seal, little O-ring thing down on there, then just place this on here like that. So I've got some screws, these are M4, and then I can just tighten this up. The wiring of what used to be there, as this is on the back wall. This is, I think, the purge solenoid, don't quote me on that, let me find out. And then I've had to unbolt this to give myself some room. We don't need to extend these 3 wires, but just to get it on, there we go, it's on there like that, and just leave that one, so I need to extend those wires. So one thing I didn't do, and you saw me when I built the engine, is I just wrapped up the PCV valve exit from that oil vapor box, I guess. So what I've got here is the valve itself. It's a new one by Sunkey PCV valve. Here's the part number. You got that?
Yeah.
Right, great. I'll just open that. I think it's probably easier to buy new. And then what you can do is you need to place it on here. So I've got these Jubilee clips. I probably don't even need Jubilee clips, but I've got them, so I'll use them. So this is just a what is it, 5/16 hose. So what I'll do is I'm going to put, you can hear the valve there, put it on like that. Loosen that off a bit. To have that loosened up. Okay. I think it's on pretty much. Tighten this down.
Not too tight.
Not too tight, it's only plastic. Okay, because it's easier to do that now when it's like that. And then I don't know if it's going to be possible to show you down here, but I've got this tape situation set up right down in here. I need to kind of take all this off. Obviously, you were doing this from scratch, you probably wouldn't have it in. So let me just take the tape off first. That down there, the hole. Can you see that hole? Yeah. That's what I'm going to put this in.
Go on then.
I can't do all things at once, so we'll just have to. It's already got the rubber seal in. There you go. That's in. Jubilee clip, and the thing I'm trying to do is get it away from anything that's going to affect it. So like that, just chuck that on here. I guess that's another benefit of this skunk too, is that all of the OEM fixtures and fittings all just fit on. And just tighten that up.